Hello, I'm Jessica Amir for the Finance News Network. Joining me from Australia, WeTouch, is Non-Executive Chairman Peter French. Peter, welcome to the Finance News Network.
Thanks, it's a pleasure to be here.
Thanks for coming. So first up, for those not familiar with the company, can you give us an introduction?
Yeah, WeTouch is based in China primarily, and it's on a large manufacturing facility in China. And in 3 years, it's grown spectacularly in terms of its sales and its revenue and its capacity. WeTouch is a specialist in manufacturing touchscreen technology. You know, the technology that interfaces between humans and computers. It really is the fastest growing technology in the world because there are so many applications for it.
Thanks, Peter. So now can you tell us about Australia WeTouch Technology?
Australia WeTouch Technology is WeTouch's company that will list in Australia to use Australia as a foundation in which to take its products to the Western world. We know that there is a global market for these products because WeTouch in China has been very successful in gaining customers in China with global reach. Customers like Siemens and Schneider and Canon. These products are already in the Western world and in China in motor vehicles. And Australia WeTouch Technology will use the manufacturing experience and products made by WeTouch in China to develop a local market and to use that experience to go into the global Western market.
Thanks, Peter. Now can you tell us more about your products?
WeTouch Technology concentrates on large screen touchscreen technology. So examples of applications where WeTouch has found significant market interest and penetration include GPS in motor vehicles, ATMs, industrial applications where there's high heat and high noise and high dust. These are areas where WeTouch's technology can outcompete its competitors.
So now to your IPO, how much are you planning to raise and when does the company plan to list?
We'll list on the ASX in mid-September. We aim to raise as a minimum $14 million. And this will be used primarily to expand capacity, manufacturing, and importantly, sales and marketing operations in Australia. In addition, and excitingly, WeTouch has established a collaboration with the University of New South Wales to develop the next generation touchscreen technology. This is really important because it will establish WeTouch and Australian WeTouch technology as preeminent suppliers.
Very exciting indeed. So how do people like me and people watching this get involved?
You can go to the WeTouch website or you can contact the lead broker, AGC Securities, or you can contact your own local broker.
So Peter, now to touchscreens and cars. It's a very new, large, fast-growing market, but can you tell us about your strategy for tapping into that?
Yes, it is. It's a very fast-growing market and we think that it will be in every car in the future. Therefore, WeTouch's advantage in terms of our robust technology on a large screen format has already found several customers who are also suppliers to automobile manufacturers. And so therefore we expect that this will be a growing market for us. And really we've just touched the tip of the iceberg.
Thanks, Peter. Last question now. So what's your long-term ambition for the company?
Our long-term ambition for Australian WeTouch Technology is to be WeTouch's marketing arm to take their products from Australia to the rest of the world. We see an enormous potential in large screen, touchscreen technology, combined with the innovation that we're developing with the University of New South Wales to make WeTouch and Australian WeTouch Technology preeminent suppliers of touchscreens for next generation products.
Well, Peter French, thank you so much for the update and good luck with the listing.
Thank you, Jessica.